Hi guys, if you're diving into the world of programming or looking to switch to Linux distribution that suit your development need, you have come to the right place. Today we are checking out easy to use option for new coders, Linux setup for backend development, choices for full stack developer, and even one for folks with less essential computer. Stick around till the end because I have got a special distro recommendation for you. So my name is Jarvis, and before you dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's get started and find the best Linux distribution for programming in 2024. Alright, let's kick in our journey with the best Linux distribution for front-end development, which is none other than Pop! OS. Pop! OS is also perfect for beginner due to its user-friendly interface, smooth performance, and pre-installed app. Pop! OS offers seamless coding experience for beginners. Now, why Pop! OS is the ideal choice? Imagine diving straight into the coding without worrying about installation. That's ease Pop! OS brings to the table for beginner. We even made it easier with a step-by-step guide on dual booting Pop! OS with Windows 11. You can check it from here. Whether you are coming from another operating system like Windows or diving into the Linux for the first time, Pop! OS feels familiar and minimizes the learning curve. It's all about providing an environment where you can focus on your code without being bogged down by complex navigation. Alright developers, let's talk about the powerhouse behind the Pop! OS, which is Software Manager. It's sleek, simple, need a tool, dive into categories or type a keyword, click on install and bam. No more chasing dependencies or compatibility headaches. Pop! OS making your code life smoother and easier. So Pop! OS can be the best Linux distro for front-end development in 2024. We are diving into the world of backend development. And we have an operating system that just not a choice but a game changer, none other than Ubuntu. When it comes to backend development, databases are the heart of our application. With Ubuntu apt package management, installing and managing database like SQL is seamless. A simple command and you are ready to store and retrieve your data efficiently. But what if you are diving into the world of NoSQL? Ubuntu got you covered. Installing MongoDB or CosmoDB is as easy, making Ubuntu as excellent choice for developer working with variety of database system. For Python enthusiasts, Ubuntu provides a solid foundation for Django development. Setting up Django project on Ubuntu is straightforward. Take advantage of clean and well-organized structure to build robust web application. But it's not about the code, it's all about the community. Ubuntu boasts a vibrant and active developer community. Got a question or need help? You will find a wealth of knowledge in the forum and extensive documentation. Scalability is the backbone of Ubuntu. With LTS release, you get 5 years of security updates and bug fixes. Your backend will run smoothly and you can focus on what matters most, your code. So there you have it. Ubuntu is the best distro for backend developer. Elevate your backend development experience by choosing Ubuntu, a versatile platform that harmonizes Python, Django and Node.js. Unleash your creativity, write efficient code and let your Ubuntu take care of the rest. Alright, let's dive into the best distro for full stack developer. Fedora. Fedora is a cutting edge and open source operating system that provides a robust platform for developers working on both front-end and back-end technologies. Fedora is known for its commitment to staying up to date with the latest technologies and software. This is crucial for full stack developers who need to access to the latest tool and framework. With Fedora, you will be always on the cutting edge of software development. For front-end developer, Fedora supports a wide range of web development tools and framework. Whether you are working with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or other front-end libraries and framework like React or Angular, Fedora extensive software repositories have you covered. But what about backend development on Fedora? Fear not, because Fedora compatibility with popular backend technologies is unmatched. Whether you are working with Java, Python, Ruby, or any other backend language, Fedora extensive package repository ensure you have easy access to the tool and dependencies you need. So there you have it, Fedora the ultimate choice for full stack developer. Stay on the cutting edge, unleash your creativity and build the future of web application with Fedora. Looking for resource-efficient Linux distro? Linux Mint is your optimal choice. Linux Mint is renowned for its user-friendly approach, stability, and resource efficiency, making it perfect companion for low-end PCs. Cinnamon is the main addition of Linux Mint, which offer a modern and innovative desktop. Linux Mint isn't just for low-end devices. It's a fantastic choice for high-end computer too. In 2023, it gains a massive popularity in Linux community, and it is likely to maintain its reputation in 2024 too. Programmer can also take advantage of Linux Mint Software Manager. They can browse, download, and install software development tool and apps through it. It follows less strict rules, allowing you to install any app. To sum it up, Linux Mint is a standout in the Linux world. It's user-friendly, perfect for both low-end and high-end systems. It continues to win the hearts in the Linux community. Are you ready to step up your Linux game? Let's talk about Arch Linux. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Once you have gotten comfortable with beginner-friendly Linux expertise, Arch is like big playground for advanced programmer. And here's the scoop: if you want to really learn Linux, Arch has got you covered. It might feel a bit tricky at times, but if you don't mind struggling through it, you will learn some invaluable skill. Once you got it, you will feel like a Linux superhero. Now let's shift the gear and talk about the unique recommendation for programmer: Nix OS. Imagine if your entire operating system worked like a Docker container. That's the essence of Nix OS. It's not just an OS. It's a revolutionary approach to managing software environments. As a developer, it means your entire system becomes modular, isolated, and easy to replicate. Nix OS takes immutability to the next level. Each system configuration change creates a new generation. If anything goes wrong, you can roll back to the previous generation. As a developer, it is like having a Git for your system configuration and allowing you to experiment fearlessly and roll back seamlessly. The Nix Package Manager is another gem. It allows for isolated and reproducible environment. You can create isolated environments for different projects, ensuring that dependencies and versions don't clash. For programmers juggling multiple projects, this is a game saver. Yes, it might take a bit effort to grasp initially, but the benefit of software development are immense. It is like having version control not just for your code, but for your entire development environment. So that's a wrap up on our best Linux distribution for programmers in 2024 journey. Whether you're a beginner, full stack enthusiast, or diving into advanced, Linux has got you covered. Happy coding, and until next time, this is Jarvis signing off.